It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
In construction, it's not if something will go wrong, but when. And when you're adding solar to your roof, it's oftentimes that the issue is with the roof itself, which is why it's great when your contractor is licensed for both. Today I'm here with Brian Milholland from Milholland Solar, Electric, and Roofing to talk about why that's so important at your company to have all three licenses.
Well, it's very important because we're installing solar on a roof. We want to make sure that roof has integrity and is going to last the lifetime of the solar, which is 25 years. So rather than rely on a subcontractor or somebody else to come out and tell me what's happening with this roof, or to have to point a finger at somebody if something goes wrong, we decided to bring it all in-house and take care of it all ourselves.
Because all of these elements are very related. The solar system is on the roof, it deals with your electrical throughout the home, and it's important to know that I have one person to call, so it makes it easy for me as a homeowner. But do you see a lot out there where people are doing the finger pointing?
Right, so we do see a lot of systems that have been installed on roofs that are not going to last the 25 years. In fact, this last set of rains that we got a lot of phone calls. There were systems on roofs. The companies that installed them are out of business or just not answering their phones. It's leaking. And we've gone out there and it's not the solar system, it's the roof itself.
Right.
They put it on top of a roof that was only going to last 5 years. And now they have issues. They've got to remove the system, redo the roof, reinstall the system. So now they're paying 3 times to have that system installed when they could have only paid for it once.
3 times. So that's just a little knowledge on the front end where, because you have all 3 licenses, you're going to be there to educate the homeowner that the roof may not be in the best shape. I know we were talking earlier that some solar companies, there are just kind of marketing agencies, their job is just to sell you solar.
Right.
That it doesn't matter the contingency or the state of your roof.
They're only concerned that the system they put on, that it's not going to leak where they attach it. They're not concerned that the roof itself is going to have a problem in a few years. We want to make sure we have the customer's best interests at heart. We want to make sure that I don't get a phone call in 4 years from a customer saying, why didn't you tell me? So we want to have that hard conversation up front with the customer. They may not like it at first, but in the end, they're usually thankful that we have that hard conversation.
Yeah, and they're going to get the best value for their money. Thanks so much for sharing that. When you add solar to your roof, it's crucial to work with a contractor that is as experienced with roofing as they are with solar. Get started with Milholland Solar, Electric, and Roofing today. You can find them on ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in your network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.